If you've been looking for African vibes without needing a boarding pass, pull up. I just found an old continent hiding in the Tecumseh Shopping Mall, and it is called AfrikEmpire. They are repping culture, color, and community with every piece on this rack, from the statement accessory to traditional wear. AfrikEmpire is where the African flair meets Windsor. Honestly, this is a place to be. Everything here is curated, cultural, and unapologetically black on. Whether you're shopping for a gift or your next event outfit or just a little self-love, this is your plug. And the best part of it, the owners are right here, ready to share stories behind every piece. And you're not just shopping, you are connecting. And they have a deal going right now. Listen to what the owner has got to say about Father's Day.
Father's Day is around the corner. All fathers, remember to bless your father. And the only place to get the best gift for fathers, this is AfrikEmpire. We have so many gifts for fathers in terms of so many wares ready to wear, in terms of caps, so many things. Just come to AfrikEmpire. We are located at Tecumseh Shopping Mall.